Hey crypto beginners, brothers and sisters. If you are new to crypto and think you need to trade or gamble to make money, you are wrong. In this video, I'll show you how to earn a daily passive income just by staking. No trading skills, no stress, and no scammers. And guess what? You don't need to be a genius or a millionaire to start investing in crypto. You can begin with just 10 Rand, 20, 50, or 100 Rand. If that sounds like something you're looking for, come on, let's get into it. Just watch the video to the end. I promise you, you won't. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm in my Luno account right now. If you don't have a Luno account, you can sign up with my link to get a bonus. Okay, for those who have a Luno account, let's go. First, you need to come down here to your portfolio and click. Once you click here on your portfolio, you'll be taken into your wallet. As you can see, I have about 100 Rand available for me to use for the purpose of this video. So if you don't have money deposited into your account, you can deposit money. You don't have to send your money to anyone. Just do it yourself. Deposit some money into your Luno account. So for those who have money into your account, this is what you're going to do next. You will come and click on. Okay, so once you click any, you see a list of all the token that is available for staking. You can choose any token on this list. I'm going to choose Cosmos because they're offering 11%. So click on Cosmos. Once you click on Cosmos, this is what you're going to see. Get Atom rewards and passive income from your crypto with Luno staking service. Then you click next. So once you click next, this is what you're going to see. You can earn annual reward percentage up to 11% paid out every day. You can read everything before you decide, but I'm not going to go through everything just to keep this video short. Then you go down here, start earning, click start earning. Once you click earning, this is what you're going to see. If you have this token in your wallet, you can go straight to your token. But because I don't have, and I'm assuming that you don't have this token, you need to buy some token for you to be able to start stacking. So you're going to click to buy. And here we will choose once off. Then you can see I have 100 Rand available for me to use. So I'll click Zal Wallet. So this is where you put the amount you want to spend on this token. But I'm going to click max because I want to spend all the money. So click max. And this is how much I'll be getting, 1.35 Atom tokens. And then I'm going to click next. Once I click next, you can see I'll be paying about 2% fee. Then you come to confirm. And then you'll be asked to put your passwords. Okay, so once you confirm and you have put your password or you use your fingerprint, you guys can see it's done, and it was that simple. So we have bought 100 Rand worth of Cosmos. So now you can click done. You need to come down to your token. Okay guys, you can see Cosmos is available in my wallet. I have 1.3 Cosmos, and then I'm going to click on Cosmos token, and then you click stack. And this is what you're going to see, guys. Like I said, you can read everything. I'm not going through everything to keep this video short. You click next. Once you click next, this is the way you're going to see. I'll remind you, you'll be getting your reward every day. And then you can come down here and click start earning. So this is what you're going to see. I'm gonna click max because I want to stake all the tokens I just bought earlier. Click max. You can see I have about 1.3 Cosmos token. Then I'll click review stack, and this is what you're going to see. And then you can click stack now, and it's done, guys. It was that simple. We are now staking 1.3 Cosmos token. So every day you can go into your wallet and you'll be able to see your earnings. Thank you guys for watching. In a few days, I will give you an update on how this is going, just to show you that it's very easy and simple to make money on crypto, even if you don't know how to trade. Please subscribe, and if you have any problem, leave a comment. I'll get back to you. Or if there's something you don't understand, leave a comment. I will make a video about it. I'll see you in the next one.